Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAPSD and ABAP League Support. Yesterday we discussed about how to find the T code with help of search functions in the T code SC16T. Today we'll discuss about how we can get the same information in the table TSTCT. So remember this table. This is the table TSTCT which will be holding all the text, the transaction code text for an T code wise. So for example, what I will do, it will display the data in different languages, but let's as of now focus on English language. So I added as an English as a language here, and I will type star sales order. So remember that this is case sensitive, so whatever the description defined by SAP for any T code, in this manner only we should search. Most of the times the T code's text will start with first letter as a capital. Every word first letter starts with capital letter only. That's why I have added as a sales order S caps and O caps. And if I execute now, you see I'm getting all the data related to sales order. And if I scroll down, you see here the required T code related to sales order creation VA01. And you see that the description first letters caps, every word first letters caps only. Okay, that we should remember. In that way only we should give the search V01, V02, V03 and V01. And another way is that suppose you want to get all the T codes in SAP system available starting with VA. We know that most of the T codes starts with VA related to SAP SD model T codes only. So you can simply search VA star in the transaction code section and click execute. You got 75 T codes. All are related to SAP SD model only. So you can take a dump of this one, export this data and keep it aside, and you can refer it whenever you require. This kind of taking the dump of the all the T codes related to SAP SD order point of view. Okay, so we can see all the T code here with the description also coming here. If you want to go for a billing means, just add VF and execute VF star, and you see all the T codes related to billing document from STP SD point of view. So this way you can use this table TSTCT to get the list of T codes available. Either you can go with the starting letters of the T code, or if you know the description only, just enter the description here in the text column and execute, then you'll get the related T codes for that. And one more way, suppose you know the program. Most of the times we know the T code only, we don't know the programs, but you know the program only, and you don't know the T code for that particular program. Then how can we do that? So the main table is the TSTC. In TSTC table, if you can search with SAP MV45. We know this program. This is the model pool program of an sales order screens. Okay, I enter the program name in this table TSTC, and if execute, I get so many T codes related to this model pool program VA01, VA02, VA03, and you see the description also here. Let me bring it to the first level. Yeah, you see the description. V-01 is secret sales orders, V-02 quotations, and if I scroll down, VA31 for credit schedule agreements, right? Display sales quotation for VA223. Like this, we can get the program wise T code. Remember that One module pool program can be assigned to several T codes. Program is same, but when you ask the T codes, the design, the view of the T code will be different. The code is written in the background such a way that this T code means this screen should appear. For example, if I go to VA01 and if I go to VA31, so VA31 is for schedule agreements and VA01 for sales order, right? All the fields are same compared to sales document, create sales order and create sales dealing agreement. The only difference is that the description of the order type field. In VA01 this is order type and in schedule agreements this is star schedule agreement type. This is the only difference between this T code and this T code, right? This is controlled through the backend code only. The program is same, SAP MV45A. According to the T code, the changes will be applicable. That's why we see several T codes for a single program, SAP MV45A. So this is another way to identify the list of T codes. Okay friends, we can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.